Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add quantity in Shopify. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just go to your admin panel. On the left panel, make sure to go and click on products. Here, you'll find all the products that you have. On the left panel again, if you go and click on inventory, this will take you as an example to the inventory that you have of each product. So as an example, let's just go to this one. And as you can see, I have 5 available. I can go instead and make it 10. You can even change on how much you have in hand. Of course, you will be able to adjust it from here. For example, if you have some reasons to be more specific if you want to. Also here on available, if some of them as example are permitted or available, you'll be able to add it here as well. Now, how about if you want to edit the quantity of the variants that you have of each product? As an example, you will not be able to do it here. So go back right here, click on products and click on the products that you want to edit the variant of. For example, this one. Let's just scroll down to the bottom and here we'll find our variants. So an example for this product, I have one variant. So I'll be able to edit the quantity right here. So let's say 7. And yeah, for this one as example as well, let's say 3. And that's it. All you need to do, just go and click on save and it should be saved. You can go to product now and everything will be edited. And you'll be able to edit any other, as example, products here, variants that you have on other products. You can also view here on your online store how does everything looks like. Specifically, if you have it out of stock, you can go and click on it now and see if it's still out of stock, especially if you added the quantity, if it was out of stock before. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.